Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add story highlights on your Facebook. So first of all guys, open up your Facebook app and then all you need to do is to click on the three lines at the top right corner. And then click on See Profile from over here. After that, you need to click on the three dots right here as you can see. And it will take you to your profile settings. And now in order to add stories to your Facebook highlights, all you guys need to do is to click on Archive from over here. And then click on Story Archive at the top corner. And now as you guys can see, you have all your stories archived over here. So first you need to click on Turn Archive right here. So then you will be able to see all your stories that you're about to post. And now you can start adding stories from over here and get back to your story archive. And you can add them as your story highlight then. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can add story highlights on Facebook easily. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, that would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching, take care, until the next video.